Hey guys, today we're going to take a quick look at the updates we've made for the stamp card in the back office. So now when you click on your stamp cards feature in the loyalty section, this is where you're going to see a little bit of a dashboard, and then we've got some stuff that you can see at a glance: how many active cards you've got, how many stamps have been deleted today, how many have been added today, how many cards have been redeemed today. And then you've got three tabs over here: live redemptions, customers, and audit log. So let's go through this one by one. So live redemption means it's basically a log of everything that's happened inside of the punch cards in your platform, in your app. And you can take a quick look here, and you can see everything that's been going on. And it's got some, if you've got multiple pages, you'll see that as well. Customers allow you to provide add and delete stamps on anyone's card. So right now, this punch card doesn't have anything in it. Let's check this one. So this one's got Christmas offer and then free jeans. We've got so we've got some users in these two cards. So what you can see is I've got a couple of people here. I'm going to see myself here. I'm able to add a stamp or remove a stamp. I've got a card here where I've got 9 buy 9 and get 1 free kind of thing. That's how many stamps are available on these cards. So you can see in this one I've received 66 stamps, during my tests. I've had 9 redemptions, so that means the card's been redeemed 9 times. And I'm able to add or remove stamps here right now if I want it as well. So if I put 2 here, remove, it's now going to show 64 stamps. So that's taken directly off of the customer's stamp card in their mobile device. Again, you can also add, so I can take this guy here and give him, so he has, hang on a second, he's got 2 stamps. If I give him 3, that'll give him 5. Okay. There you go. 2, what did I give him? 3. So I can just check the history here as well. So I actually gave him 4. My bad. So what I can do is now I can remove 1 again, and you can see this will give him 5 out of the 9. So that's basically where you can see any stamp cards you've created available here, and all of the people that have got stamps in those cards. The last tab over here is the audit log. Again, this is just a basic chronological history of all of the things that have happened inside your cards, and it also allows you to see, for example, what employee has provided these stamps. Because as you know, in our stamp cards, you're able to set up passwords or QR codes for the cards, where the users would scan the QR code or enter a password and enable them to get a stamp on their card. That can be done by employee. So I'm not going to go into basically the setup of the stamp cards has not changed whatsoever. We've just enhanced the back end and given you the ability to add and remove stamps for each card. So I'm not going to get too deep into the setup of the cards, but you'll see that's exactly the same, and we've got a different video for that. But what I'll also now do is go a little deeper into the buttons up here. So the dashboard, when you click that just basically takes you back to the beginning of where we started. Okay, so that's where we are, and then you can click on all cards, and you can see all of your cards here. I'll go a little deeper here. So basically, when you add a new card, you know how to create the card. Enter all the information, and then it'll list here on your card list. One thing I wanted to point out is you have the ability to set an automatic email to go out to your users when they get close to their next level rewards. So when I click that automatic email, this has not been set up, by the way, but see that? So you can basically edit the email here, and you put the subject title, who it's coming from, the email it's coming from, and then you can basically type in whatever message you want, and then say at what punch number do you want to send this email out. So let's say you have a card that has 9 stamps, get 9 and get your 10th free. So when they hit stamp number 7 or 8 or whatever number you put in here, that email will go out when any user hits that number of stamps on their card. Right? So I hope that makes sense. So you can say, hey, you're only 2 stamps away or 1 stamp away from getting your free reward. Come on in and get your next copy on us, or whatever the message is. But you can see how powerful that messaging can be, right? When they're close to their next level of rewards, this kind of will drive them back into your place of business. So let's go back to the stamp card list. So this is your list here. All your cards are listed here. We went through the emails. Let's go back here. employees. So when you set your employees, basically you type in someone's name, Jack, and then their email ID, gmail.com, and then a password that's specific to that person, right? So I'm going to go, 5512 and hit submit. Now Jack's going to be listed here. You can see Jack's over here. His password is 5512. And if you've got a QR code that you guys are using to redeem your instead of passwords, you can get the QR code for each individual user as well. So I haven't got QR set up for this one yet. So this enables you to monitor what staff are giving out stamps. So if you've got a busy environment where you've got lots of staff and lots of people coming in and out, you can give everyone their own password and then make sure that no one's abusing their access to this. So I've done that. I'm going to delete Jack because we don't need Jack. Let's go back to stamp cards. You've got view report. This is just basically a summary report of everything. So you can see each card that we've got listed here, how many punches are needed, how many total stamps or punches that we've got issued here, how many total redemptions we've got, and then you're able to click on the detail button link here, and you can see all of the people that have received punches and how many redemptions they've got. So myself, I've received 153, and I've redeemed my card 9 times. Right, so that's the reporting, and this button here just basically allows you to set up a new card. Again, this I'm not going to go too deep into because this hasn't changed at all. And that's it. So this has been a quick video on the updates we've just made to the digital stamp cards. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.